express my greeting and a Happy New Year. Actually, the coming year, whether become happy year or miserable year, depend on us. So, just the first day of the new year, I think we should determine, at least this year, I will be a more sincere human being, a compassionate human being, and try to create firstly inner peace oneself, then try to share more people. That's the way to build happy year, isn't it? So think that way.
I would like to express my greetings for New Year. Then the important thing is we should think past year, check if the past year you use properly. That means, you see, if possible, helping other, serving other. If not, at least not harming other. So that's meaningful life. This is too much also the thinking selfish and exploit other people. Then you see your life spent not properly spent. So now, if someone, you see, who carry that kind of life, then now new year begin. So you should think, now past is past. Now from next day, a new year, I should be it's the same physical, same sort of name, but way of sort of life, more compassionate way, more meaningful way. So this is I want to express as a greeting of New Year. Meantime, you see, New Year, some also the some party and drink. The short moment happy, but too much drink, then eventually start fight. So then New Year spoil. Happy New Year spoil. So Happy New Year, we should carry it very peaceful, very gentle way, and then not only the New Year, but the whole year.
Lodi tanda damage carrying in some shuna and Juya. Just one. Down Lodi Chala Chinsu Samba Sorrow and Tuxan Shavina, Lodi Nolo, Nocturne never soon Chibina, Beran Top Jovre, Chazan Anzo, and the Lost Sabbath thing when a tanda damage chicken in some check. Lord Gemma, young Lost Sabbath Yamacadola, Lord Devil Charge, Dang, Devil Lodi, tanda damage music carrying some shuna Yawari, Yaw Chavina, Kushugindi, Michigi. Shugin Michulte, Michubuti, and those Shugin Michalte, those sending Cochizolia, because Shugin said, those Dujurwa. Chizo Shugin, Mikel, also Kujosh Mojava, there wasn't nobody could watch the younger side, Marta.